Evening folks, right, we're out a two-nighter, so meeting up with Big G, we're going somewhere, so just the two of us, before lockdown starts. I think lockdown's, we're going to level 4 come Friday, so got a few days off the work, so I'll be out tonight, tomorrow night, Thursday night, and then it's back to out the backwoods camping again for 3 weeks. So I'm going to make the most of it. I'll split it into different videos, but tonight we're going somewhere, then we'll get up the next day, then we'll do a bit of exploring, find a new location. Another video the second night, down the road, and then I'll go and do a solo Thursday night. So, as ever, stay tuned. Right folks, we've arrived. So, a wee bit blustery, but it'll be fine. I'm going to stick up the hot tent tonight, maybe do a hammock and camp tomorrow night, but it's time to get set up. Boom, just like that. So, tonight, get the Pomoly hot tent again tonight. I think I'm even going to bother with the stove tonight because it's not even that cold. I think we're going to have an outdoor fire. The rucksack, I've got my what's it called, my Zenith 105 Osprey rucksack with me. I've got the Climate Static V Recon insulated sleeping mat, and I've got my Leviathon 900 winter bag. Whether I even need that tonight, it is pretty warm. But that's it, all set up, so time to crack open the cider I think. Oh, forgot to mention, someone asked me about this, one of my previous videos, about the wee lightweight chair. So it's a Merino. Right, you can pick these up for just over £20. You can buy expensive ones, but at the end of the day, why pay £90, you can pay 20, and it all just folds up nice and neat. So I'm going to stick that up. So up in no time, kick my gas. That's G, he's got his Berghaus Peak 3.1 Pro. That's him just blowing up his blow up sheep. I don't know if you can hear that. Got a few Henry Westons. So I've got the normal one, the vintage one, but I've got a couple of fancy ones tonight as well. So take a crack one open I think. Do a wee bit of cooking later on, but right now it's time to start drinking. Just prepping a wee bit of, not quite feather sticks, but I suppose it is in a way, but just something to get the fire going. So G's got his nice, what kind of knife's that, G?
A J-Kit KNV2.
Very nice. As sharp as. Right, fire on. Look at this. Nah, all the comforts at home. So we get the tap set up in front of the fire. That gives a bit of shelter. There's my tipi tent. There's G's tent. Oh, we're good to go.
Right.
Sorted. So that's us. Set up. So, time for some heat I think. So we're just deciding how we're going to cook. Right, G forgot the grill, so luckily I've got the TF grill, so I'm sure we'll manage. Hey G. It's all good. Fire's on, tarps up, tent's up. Time to sit back and relax. Right, it's dinner time, so what is it? Barbecued shit. Oh, look at that. Oh yes. And you know he's going to fit another one in.
You got enough too on?
I think. Oh aye. Aye, they ones are smaller. You just stuff as many as you can get into it. I'll be honest. Alright, you might even get. If you squeeze that one up at the end. No,
that's it.
Right, well, that's us. Right, so this is the first serving. Right, she's got a new stove. So this is the Soto Stormbreaker. A very, very nice bit of kit. And not the cheapest, but an absolute beast. So that runs off what's that run off, G?
Run off gas or petrol. It takes a fair bit of pumping it up. Into the
So you've probably guessed it. While we're waiting on the chicken cooking, we're going to have a couple of steaks. Why not, eh? Better check the chicken. Oh, that's big one already. Flame on. Right, cooking now. So, nice bit of cut. Appetizer on. Oh, just a wee starter. Lovely jubbly. All cooking up in the DSI pan. Lovely.
sterilising that.
So, we're going to butter the rolls, not just any rolls. G's got a wee selection, so we've got large white paps. So we've got, what are these ones, G?
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper paps. Fantastic. Right, course number one. Salt and pepper rolls with steak and onion. Lovely. Steak rolls done in. So, the chicken next. Chicken! Right, while we're waiting for the chicken cooking, put the steak. Well, a wee sneaky banana in between. Just put more logs in the fire. So, I've cracked open another Eddie Weston's vintage cider.
So how the animals don't eat it. How's the chicken?
Bugs that crisp.
Is it?
Right folks, the chicken's well done, to say the least, right, but I'm quite sure once you get by the chicken, the charred sections, that's going to taste fantastic. Charred chicken, lovely.
It cooked.
Time for some charred chicken, taste test time. Oh, it's fine on the inside, look at that, cooked to perfection.
It's fine, it is fine.
Barbecued charred chicken, lovely.
Oh man,
Well, that was good.
I've got to be honest with you, it's absolutely tremendous.
Fan dabby dozy.
Just put the charcoal off the outside
Yeah.
and you've got beautiful soft chicken
That's
on
it.
the inside.
Yeah, mouth watering. That's the life. Sitting under the tarp, blowing a gale outside, raining, sitting by the fire. It's time for a gin and tonic. So, got a bit of Aldi's Topaz Blue. You can't beat Aldi's they win awards for their wine and their gin and all that kind of stuff, so quite sure this is going to be fantastic. Right, as well as the gin and tonic, we've got
Home bargains.
home bargains,
Apple and blackcurrant.
apple and blackcurrant. So we're going to stick some of that in as well. Right, I was just saying to G, the last time I had gin, I had a total blank out. I couldn't remember anything of the night. So come tomorrow morning, after this I'll probably not remember anything. But it's all good. The fire's going strong, the tarp's still standing strong, and where'd you get that juicy stuff from again?
Home bargains.
Home Bargains and Aldi's gin. Right, let's try it.
Can you tell me that's not good?
Right folks, cheers.
Cheers.
It's gin time. Not bad. Time for another gin. Gin and tonic. Huh? I mean, my gran used to drink this. Gin and tonic with some, right, I know I keep forgetting. The apple and blackcurrant from
Home bargains.
Home Bargains. Bottoms up. It's 1 in the morning. Whoa. The fire's been a good wee fire. I'm going to have another wee gin. Wee nightcap. Yeah. That's us. We're at our beds. So he's away at his bed. The tarp's still up. We'll let the fire burn away. But the tarp's done us proud. Last wee heat off the fire. But it's time to get into the scratcher. It's been a good wee night. You can tell I've had a few ciders, a few gins. But good time had. So I'm going to get into my sleeping bag if I got with me. Leviathan 900. That plus what have I got? Right, showed the camera work tonight. But I blame the gin. Climate insulated static D. So that plus my Leviathan bag was toasty warm tonight. Not done that much filming tonight, but this is just the first night, so I'm going to climb into the bag, get some kit. Up tomorrow, I think it's going to be pouring the rain all day tomorrow, but not to worry. We'll get up tomorrow, get all the kit down. Tomorrow night it's going to be a hammock camp, so we're going to go at this moment in time we're going to go somewhere different. But right now I've had burnt chicken, we've had steaks, we've had Mars bars. Oh, even I forgot, before I go to my bed, you guessed it, it's time for a brew. So it really is, it's blowing hilly outside, but it doesn't matter, it's only a bit of wind. It's pouring with rain as well, but no need to worry about that either. Yep, it's brew time. So, look at that, a steaming hot brew, lovely. So, it's been a good wee night. Like I say, I've not done much filming, but why worry. I burnt that chicken though. It's not like me. You know how I like a good scran. But tomorrow, oh, wait till you see the next video. Wait till you see what I've got cooking tomorrow. Tomorrow night, but that'll be a different video. But for tonight, that's it. I'm going to have my brew, get into the bag, blowing a gale outside, but I'll be honest, the tent's not even moving, so I've strapped it down fantastic tonight. He's away at his bed, and his, what about his tent? You saw his tent earlier, I can't mind the name of it. I'm going to have a brew. sit back in my chair, maybe for another wee 20 minutes, then climb out of my bag, go to sleep. So I'll maybe do a wee bit of footage tomorrow morning. Also we'll get a bit of breakfast. I think we've got bacon and eggs. That should be not bad. Bacon and eggs and a wee coffee, I think. And then it'll be off for the next camp. Whereas tomorrow night, I think we're gonna. He's got the one tigris winter under blanket or under quilt for his hammock. He's never hammock camped, so that should be good. Tomorrow night I think it's going to be hammock camping. Never know, we might put if it's absolutely bucketing the rain, maybe put the hot tent up, but either that, we'll just put a tarp up. But tomorrow night it's going to be the hammock camping, so make sure you tune in for that one as well. But anyway, I'm going to drink this cup of tea. Well, you can tell, you can tell I've had a few gins, a few ciders. That's what it's all about, getting out there, having a good time. Time to get into bed, so boots off first. Folks, it's all good. Right, we're in. So, let's get into the bag. Right, we're in the bag. Before we go to sleep, a couple of shout outs. So, we shout out for Thomas. Thomas always comments on the channel. Another wee shout out. Who else? Martin and Laura for Longbank or Langbank. I think it's Langbank. Martin and Laura are the best. Glad you're tuning in. Right, Billy for Bells Hill. Right, he wants me to do a live video. So that'll probably be next week. Right, because come next week it's going to be back garden camping, or the backwoods camping, because lockdown's coming. Well, starts on Friday at 6 o'clock. So Billy, if you're watching, I might just do a wee live video, probably next week, or the next couple of weeks. I can see a live video happening. So make sure you all tune in. It'll either be a Friday or a Saturday night. So if you want to tune in, make sure you do, right? Because I'll be going live, right? And I know everybody loves a wee live video. We can get a wee bit of chit chat while we're out the back door. So that's still to come, but that's going to be next week. I've still got tomorrow night to come, and then I'll go and do a solo on Thursday night, probably about Friday night as well. That'll be a kind of late camp as normal, and then Saturday I might as well do a back door, so it might even be Saturday might even do a wee live video. So everybody, anybody that's watching, tune in on Saturday night. I reckon a live video is coming. So I've got a new, I get sent another one tigris tent. So I'm not tell you what one it is. You need to tune in for that one. But I've been sent another one tigris tent, so I might even use that. Might even set that up and do a wee video. Do a wee live video. Why not? But right now, I just thought I'd have another wee brew. Once I had the brew, I'm going to go to my kit. I can't tell why I don't know, it's about 2 in the morning there. You know what I mean? I like me red vino. I've had a couple of ciders a night. Big G's been feeding me gin all night. So the gin's knocked me. It's knocked me for 6. So I'm going to crash out shortly. Probably go with my kit. But I'll bring you back in the morning. We'll have a wee breakfast in the morning, a bacon and eggs, and then we'll move on to the next location. So, she's in the morning. Good night all. Right, up in the morning, but I don't know, 9:30 or something, so it's been pouring all night. As you can see, tent's soaking. Right, but good to see how high this river's come up. So I think that's about it. It's slowly but surely starting to burst its banks. So even where one of my guy ropes is in, it's starting to go underwater. So what we're going to do, we're going to cook some breakfast in the tipi tent. I've took the kind of inner down. So time for some bacon and eggs. Then we'll head off, we'll get the tents packed up and we'll head down to the next location, which we don't know where that is yet because we've no idea where we're going, but it's like a magical mystery tour. So time for breakfast. Time for a brew. Not just any coffee, she's even brought caramel to put in it. Oh, lovely. Right, breakfast on, so time for some bacon rolls. Right, breakfast is ready. So, bacon roll, brown sauce, time for the taste test.
You know what? Big
Right,
Mark doesn't.
taste test time.
Mark doesn't.
Right, packed up. So, as you can see, leave no trace. You can see how much that water's come up. But that's it for this video. So, as ever, hit the like button if you don't mind, hit subscribe, hit the wee bell for future notifications. We'll bring you back in the next one. Thanks for watching.